I proposed to my girlfriend Sunita and asked her to be my wife. Oh God, I was so stressed. I kept on postponing. And a time came when I had to choose career or love, and I chose love.
Even though she's thousands of miles away from her home, Sonam Kapoor Ahuja, who's being the perfect bahu in Delhi, and her husband Anand Ahuja, who's being the perfect damad, went an extra mile to make Anil Kapoor and Sunita Kapoor's 36th anniversary extra special. Balloons, flowers, cakes were all delivered to the Kapoor residence, and even though she's away from them and not with her family right now, she made sure they felt very loved and had an awesome at-home celebration. Anil Kapoor and Sunita Kapoor couldn't stop gushing about their love for each other on social media on the occasion of their 36th wedding anniversary. The couple, who has been together for almost 47 years, is an inspiration to couples around the world for being a rock-solid pair through all the ups and downs in life. It's no surprise then that the couple was flooded with love and good wishes from their family and friends around the world. Their kids Sonam and Rhea Kapoor shared multiple posts and stories on their social media pages, sharing how special their parents are and what amazing role models they have been for their family. Sonam's mother-in-law Priya Ahuja also wished her samdhan and shared pictures of them together from Sonam's wedding functions. Sonam, who is away from her parents due to the lockdown, seems to be really missing her folks, who she hasn't seen in several months now. The doting daughter planned several surprises for her parents with her husband Anand Ahuja to make their day extra special. She wrote in her anniversary post, Happy anniversary parents, I love you so much and miss you so much. 36 years married and 11 years of dating, insane. Your love story is the best kind, filled with love, laughter and family, and because angst only belongs in films, not real life. Love you, love you, love you. P.S. You both also produce the 3 most confident and crazy children. We hope we make you proud. Amongst the many gifts Sonam arranged for her parents was a beautiful bouquet of pink roses that came with a special note. Dear Mom and Dad, happy anniversary to the parents that inspire us in every way. Lots of love always. Sonam and Anand. There were also some beautifully wrapped goodies from a gourmet eatery and a whole lot of special anniversary balloons that included an inflatable diamond ring shaped balloon and heart shaped ones that decorated the living room of their Juhu home. Sunita ji, who was completely blown away by all this love from her kids, shared a picture of the bouquet and wrote, Sonam and Anand, miss you all so much. The couple also received gifts from other friends and colleagues, while some like Shilpa Shetty Kundra took to social media to wish her friends.